Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Git is available on your machine. Run Git version so you know it's working. Once done, copy the HTTPS or SSH clone link from GitHub. Make sure it's the repository you intend to clone. Now open Android Studio and choose Get from VCS or Checkout from Version Control. This jumps straight into the cloning flow. You want to act now so Android Studio can manage the project structure and fetch all branches automatically. You paste the GitHub link into the URL field, and Android Studio validates it immediately. This is why you prefer HTTPS for simplicity or SSH for key-based auth. Next, set the local directory. Pick a dedicated projects folder to avoid permission issues. Then choose the branch to check out now, or let it default and fetch all refs. This saves time if you later switch branches. Finally, click Clone so Android Studio pulls the repository and configures project settings automatically. Once cloning completes, Android Studio will prompt to open or import the project. Choose Open so the IDE loads modules and kicks off a Gradle sync. If authentication fails, you likely need to switch to SSH keys or clear and update your saved Git credentials. Make sure your account has repo access. For build or Gradle issues, run File, sync project with Gradle files, and read the error logs to fix missing SDKs or plugin versions. This gets you ready to edit, run, and commit changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.